A full arch is basically what it sounds like. It's a full arch of teeth that are placed on anywhere from 4 to 6 implants, depending on how many teeth you're restoring and some other things that are involved, such as quality of bone and what have you. But we're wanting to try and get all of the teeth on a certain number of implants so that the patient can get their smile back. The way that we do our full arch restorations are that we are able to take the scans, merge them with the cone beam scan that we have, and we're able to, with a lab's help, we're able to build your smile so that you can see it beforehand. You're able to see what the teeth are going to look like, so that the day that you actually receive the implants, you can actually walk out of the office with teeth in place and you never go without teeth. Because everybody likes to have a beautiful smile. So we offer basically a couple of different versions of the implant supported arch. One version is where you have 2 to 4 implants placed and the arch can actually snap on and snap off, and you're able to take it off and on at home, clean them, put them back in, but they're stable. They're not like a denture where they move around. They're actually held in place by the implants. And then the Cadillac of the group is where we actually have 4 to 6 implants placed, and there's actually a hybrid, if you will, that is in place and it stays there. You're not able to take it in and out. You come and get the implants clean just like normal teeth, and we're able to help you take care of it. Here at Rowan Family Dentistry, we're doing this on a daily basis. We have patients come to see us that haven't been able to chew their food like they'd want. You know, they're not able to sing in the choir maybe at church. Maybe they're not able to have the confidence that they would like to have in business meetings. And we're able to change their life by giving them the confidence that, hey, you can smile again, you can sing again, and you can close that business deal that you need to close. We always say that we make smiling easy, and that's what our job is, to make it smiling easy for you.